All right, so now that we have that figured out and you're exploring a little bit about electricity flowing through things, let's go ahead and increase this challenge and learn how to make a switch. And so this is where I have another star right here. And so what we can do is I can add my alligator clip to this star here. And if I don't want the electricity always going to the LED light, I can create a switch. So I'm just going to take some foil here, and I'm going to cut a strip. You make it whatever length you want. And we're just going to fold it a couple times here, just one time through, and then fold it again. And then once you have that, you can stick the foil into this conductive dough here. And now, when I touch, this creates an on-off switch. And now it's on, it's off, on and off. So electricity is flowing through, it's going through the conductive foil, in there into the LED light, and making a complete pass. And so here's how you make a very simple switch. Your challenge is to make your own switch and to document it in the folder. I'd love to see what you come up with. Find something conductive, create your own circuit, and let us know you understand how this simple operation works. All right, guys, best of luck.